Think you need a fortune to start investing? Think again. You don't need thousands of dollars to grow your wealth. You just need a smart approach. In this video, I'll show you how to start investing with little money, step by step. First, set a clear goal. Are you saving for retirement, a big purchase, or just growing wealth? Knowing what you're aiming for helps you choose the right investment strategy. You don't need a fancy broker. Look for accounts with low minimums and low fees. Robo-advisors, micro-investing apps, or standard brokerage accounts can work. The key is getting started. Even investing $5 or $10 regularly adds up over time. Consistency beats perfection. Automate deposits if you can so your investments grow without relying on willpower. For small amounts, low-cost index funds or ETFs are ideal. They provide diversification, lower fees, and steady growth. Avoid expensive funds that eat into your returns. Even small investments can grow significantly thanks to compounding. Time is your best ally. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. As you invest, take time to learn about different assets, risk levels, and strategies. Don't rush or gamble. Make small informed adjustments as you go. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Small investments today can lead to big growth years later. Patience and consistency are more powerful than timing the market perfectly. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Start small, stay consistent, keep costs low, and let time do its work. The most important step is simply starting today.